Ricky Bobby, take it from your birth daddy. Just 'cause you grow up, don't mean you gotta give up.
Aren't we supposed to be going to school?
Today, the road is your classroom. Life takes 50% bravery and 60% stupidity.
That don't make no sense.
Neither does living in the slow lane when you could be blowing down the road in a hemi hauler or in 3 rows of pure debauchery.
What's debauchery?
Ask your mom. Now, let's go borrow a boat and make some bad decisions. Time to go incognito.
I love you, Ricky! I love you, Cal!
The most powerful force in the universe is love. No, it's not. It's hot, nasty, badass speed. Woo!
What's the next stop?
It's time for your extracurriculars. Vámonos, amigos.